Haka step jang ka arp hulai tarik unai lur ka Joint Action Committee haka jinga snok tilang but ka knockmas of the Gasuapara block areas senior citizens and prominent social and political leaders. Kala penlong ya ka jinga lang ha Gasuapara bandawa ya ka jing kentiu kerdan jang ki school ad hoc haka kentot Gasuapara ki badon hapo ka jing penya jang ki Shillong. Lalam khmat ya ka jinga lang de Clinton ar Marak u General Secretary ka All Garo Hills Ad Hoc School Association Aham. Haba ajing kren Seng M. Marak, General Secretary ka GSU Garo Students Union Gasuapara Unit, Menwa di Sangma, General Secretary ka Aham, Clinton R. Marak, General Secretary ka Aham, kila pensngaw siya ki Menteri badai Peit, bakin kentiu kerdan no yakini ki school ad hoc. Kila kadawru ka tu ka ni kijing baki syam, hagaban penbaha bat penne pensa yakini ki school, bat kini ki school kim yo satya yakijing dan kam ki bakausan Kumjuru ka Seng kala dawa ya kajing Seng no eka civil subdivision ha Gasuapara. Kibanteng ya kajing duna ka roy ka pa ha kani kathan. Wala da ka don bun kinong syong shnong henre kam don wat ki opes Sorkar paper ki ba ki pa ba ki don kam.
Today we had a general meeting with Gasuapara block areas Nokmas, senior citizen along with social and political leaders. In the meeting, we had discussed Gasuapara Secondary School, which is currently run by the local community. While running a higher secondary school without government facilities, it is difficult as well as due to financial constraint. The school is struggling to maintain the level of quality education, and the school is suffering insufficient terms of student learning process and infrastructure development. Therefore, we have decided to demand that Gasuapara Secondary School should be a fully government-owned school, because this school is crucial role play for the students from the entire Gasuapara block area, especially to those students who cannot afford higher studies in the urban area. And the second main agenda is new civil subdivision for Gasuapara block areas. As per the regulation and guidelines set up by the government for implementing new civil subdivision, we have enough government office and then enough sufficient other office like market, post office, banks, police station. Even though we have enough population, there is no statement on new implementation for civil subdivision from the government side. And compare with other south blocks from the South Garo Hills district, Gasuapara block has most populated area in the entire Garo Hills district, entire South Garo Hills district. Therefore, I urge the local MLAs from the South Garo Hills district, Sir Honorable Chairman of Meghalaya Government Construction, Sir Kartus Marak, Sir Seng Sangma, and then Honorable Education Minister of Sir Rakam A. Sangma to look into this matter. And then on behalf of Gasuapara citizens, I would like to request the Chief Minister to look into this matter as well as fulfill our demands as much as possible. Thank you.
Singa yano nangram gaman NGO aro songa nokpao tunggapa tuni nokma soldarang baksa area ni namgini na dingtang mansa jakurang ku gaingon dingtang nangani rang tuni bisepo donga talo singa Gasuapara ao dingtang mansa school ni kita higher secondary school ko singa full-fledged government site na ya ko upgrade khani ko singa nangnike arun baksa civil subdivision ko ba singa nanga ngapao singa meeting ang ko dasal thomang ha unigaman talo chini Meghalaya government mandira ko manakha ka pa ya obostarang ni gaman hara khale singna ba nirokat phaude singa Meghalaya government ko taur keng pa government ko singa molmola kata kusunga simang sini ini kan irang ko niate amang ko kapachina kata Meghalaya government ko normal baksa yano singa simang ko kumuani ko na thainga sakam sun ko.
We can hear from our one of the leaders. He have mentioned already about school being run by local communities and management community, and he have talked about how hard it is to run school by the management community. So in this case, we urge our government to please look onto this matter to make it either ad hoc or make it fully governmental. And secondly, as one of our here leader he have mentioned about civil subdivision. He have mentioned that all the criteria for forming civil subdivisions in Gasuapara area, it is all fulfilled. I mean, the criteria is all fulfilled. So, based on that, it will be easier for the government, or it will be quite easy for the government to make it successful, make it a new civil subdivision for the Gasuapara area. Thank you.